All right, guys. Today, it's been a while. I'm sorry about that. I kind of slipped off. I got super busy in the home inspection thing. I'm sorry about the background noise. My nephew back there, he's kind of my apprentice. He's back there. He's discovered a lathe that he wants to work with. So he's doing the lathe work down now, and I decided I was going to still try to do some a YouTube video for you guys because it's been so long. We've got a show coming up this week, and this is what we're building right here. I just realized that with y'all guys seeing it, maybe I should. There we go. That's probably about the best I can do. But we're gonna build these guys. They're on stake. Will be. So I'm gonna build one. I pre-cut these. I've done it by just using a simple wood jig. I've got 20 of them prepped to put together. So I'm going to be here for a while, kind of assembling them. But I'm going to at least put y'all through a few of them. I might even fasten it up where you can watch me put together all 20. I'm not sure yet. But I just thought I'd jump back on, put out another video. Let y'all know I hadn't just disappeared. And but I got really busy in the home inspection game. There were some things that popped up out of nowhere that I had to do. And the YouTube just kind of slipped by the side. Shouldn't be, but I'm using, in case you're wondering about the saw blade, I'm trying to use the saw blade to give me a kind of a metal base so I don't have to worry so much about where the grounds go. So I jig these out, and then just giving it a last little twist. And then two of these guys, these are just scraps left from cutting the rest of them. So that's what we're shooting for. Now it's just welding it up. All right. And there's what we're left with. And now, how I finish these guys is you all have seen that I like to put color onto things. These guys aren't going to get any color. They look too cool in silver. So I think they're going to be bare metal, just with a little clear protective. But all right. So it'll be a nice silver front, and the back will probably get just a coat of gray just to protect it. Probably some of the zinc oxide paint that I've got. All right, guys. Well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the video, and I'll probably just do one without sound. All right. Thanks so much.